What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, we're going to be going over one of my favorite things in my gym bag. It's my RPM rope session 4.0. I've been using RPM ropes for pretty much longer than I can care to admit, almost I would say 6 years, and I started my double under journey with the original RPM rope. But other than that, let's go ahead and get right into the review. Alright, first thing, why would you want a speed rope? One of the reasons is you're working on double unders. If you're working on regular jump ropes, I would not recommend grabbing a speed rope. You can grab pretty much any jump rope and you can still get a good jump rope workout in. But if you're looking to really push those double unders, get a maximum amount, I would definitely recommend investing into a speed rope. The one I've really chosen is the RPM rope, and the newest one being the Session 4.0. So first thing is, it's not much more different than 3.0, but it's so much different than my original RPM rope. As you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, there's a little ball bearing in there, so it is a little bit older. So when I open this guy up, you're actually gonna see a different bearing in there. So it's a little bit different with the bearing, and as you can also tell, it spins so smoothly. It's still spinning, you can hardly hear it. Very quiet bearing with our RPM rope. And even both sides are very quiet. And that's one of the differences. With the 3.0, there was a little bit more play in the handle in the 3.0. With the 4.0, it's got a little less play. We're also talking about a solid reinforced aluminum stem, so it's never really gonna break on you. If I would say one negative about this stem is it doesn't really come out at all. So if you have slipperier hands and you're not using that comp rope, it can tend to want to like slide out of your hands, especially when you're working on those multiple double unders in a row. The prices for these guys, the Session Rope 4.0 is going to go for $65. And if you want to get the extra cables, which I definitely recommend, you can either get the coated cables. So if you were going to be going on to surfaces that are not ideal, like a gym floor, if you're going to be going on to more concrete surfaces, I definitely recommend the coated cable. If not, if you're working on the fastest cable possible, definitely go with the bare cable. That's going to cut through the air a little bit better, so that rope can go a little bit faster with a little less resistance from the air. And of course, if you really want to splurge, you can do $80 for a customized one. You can even get engravings if you like. And for the competition rope, it's only $70, so just $5 more than the regular Session rope. And if you're really just looking to jump in, put your toe into the water of speed ropes for the RPM version, you can also get $30 to $5 for the sprint version as well. They had a couple different options for pretty much any price point. So when you are sizing this rope up, you will need a regular wire cutter, like scissors, anything like that will not work. This is a thick cable. Make sure you got a wire cutter. When you are sizing the rope, you're gonna put 1 foot in, you're gonna raise it up. It should be between nipple and shoulder height. So if you're a little bit more efficient with your rope, you can bring it a little bit lower down to your nipple, but if you're not as good at double unders, I'd definitely make it a little bit higher. 6'10", if you are a little bit, not as good at the jump rope, the arm's gonna want to extend a little bit, so the longer rope will help you stay consistent with it. And of course, if you cut it longer, you can always make sure to cut it a little shorter from there. So if you cut it shorter, you can't make a rope longer again. So definitely recommend a longer one closer to the armpit and then try to trim down from there. All you need is an Allen wrench that comes with to be able to adjust. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you really enjoyed that video, please hit that subscribe button. I got a bunch of tech videos. We'll be going over some other jump ropes and I got other tech videos coming along. But other than that, guys, as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys next one. Bye.